In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list products from CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your store, choose a product, and publish a polished listing that's ready to sell. Start by opening your CJ Dropshipping account. If you're new, create an account and sign in. If you already have one, just log in so you're on the dashboard. This will be your hub for sourcing products and pushing them to your TikTok shop. Next, connect your TikTok shop to CJ Dropshipping. On the CJ dashboard, look for the option to add or integrate a store, then click to install the app. When prompted, select TikTok Shop as your platform. Click Install, authorize the connection, and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Make sure you're logged into the correct TikTok Shop account and that you grant the requested permissions, since CJ needs access to send product details and keep inventory in sync. When the installation completes, you should see your TikTok shop listed as connected in CJ. If anything looks off, recheck the authorization and confirm you selected the right region and store. With the integration set, head to the product you want to add. You can browse or search in CJ until you find the exact item. Open the product page to review its variants, processing times, and available media so you know what you're listing. Click the List button and choose to list it to TikTok Shop. A setup window will appear. Here, enter your store name if it isn't auto-filled, then craft a clear, keyword-rich title. Add relevant tags to help shoppers discover your product. Move into the variant section to set pricing. Review each variant carefully, size, color, or style, and assign competitive prices. Double-check costs and margins so you're not surprised later. Add images and videos next. Select high-quality photos that show the product clearly, and include a short vertical video when possible to match TikTok's format. This can improve engagement and make your listing more appealing. For the description, write a concise, benefit-focused summary. Highlight key features, dimensions, materials, and care instructions if relevant. Keep it accurate and clear to reduce returns and questions. Once everything looks good, title, tags, variants, pricing, images, videos, and description, click List Now. CJ will push the product to your TikTok shop. Give it a moment, then check your TikTok shop dashboard to confirm the listing appears as expected. That's it. You've opened your CJ Dropshipping account, connected your TikTok shop, selected a product, optimized the details, and published it live. Follow the same flow for additional products to quickly build out your catalog